Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a dividend fair value calculator, how avoiding overpaying for income works. A dividend fair value calculator helps income investors estimate whether a dividend stock is reasonably priced or whether they may be paying too much for the income it provides. This can be very useful because even a good dividend stock can become a poor investment if it is bought at an overpriced level. First, you enter the starting inputs. These usually include the current stock price, annual dividend, dividend growth rate, required return or discount rate, and payout assumptions. These inputs give the calculator the basic information needed to estimate what the stock may be worth for an income investor. Next, the calculator estimates the expected dividend. In many cases, it focuses on the next expected dividend rather than only the current dividend. This is often calculated by multiplying the current dividend by 1 plus the growth rate. In simple terms, future income starts with the next expected dividend, not just the amount being paid today. After that, the calculator applies the fair value formula. A common simplified version estimates fair value by dividing the expected dividend by the difference between required return and growth rate. This approach is often used for stable dividend-paying stocks, especially when investors want a quick estimate of whether the stock looks reasonably valued. Then, the estimated fair value is compared with the current market price. If the market price is below the estimated fair value, the stock may appear undervalued. If the market price is close to the fair value, it may be fairly valued. On the other hand, if the market price is above the fair value, the stock may appear overvalued, which can warn investors about overpaying for income. At the same time, it is important to understand the main value drivers. A higher dividend usually increases fair value. Similarly, a higher dividend growth rate can also raise fair value. However, a higher required return lowers fair value, because investors demand more return for the risk they are taking. So, even small changes in assumptions can affect the result a lot. In addition, investors should use a margin of safety. Instead of buying right at the estimated fair value, many investors prefer buying below that level. This leaves room for uncertainty, reduces the chance of overpaying, and adds more discipline to the investment decision. Furthermore, the quality of the dividend should always be checked. Fair value is more reliable when the company has stable earnings, healthy cash flow, a reasonable payout ratio, and a strong balance sheet. Without dividend quality, the calculator result may look attractive, but the income may not be dependable over the long term. Finally, the stock should be reviewed carefully before investing. It is wise to recheck assumptions, compare the result with other types of analysis, and make sure the stock fits your income goal. A calculator should be used as one tool, not the only tool, in the final decision-making process. For example, a stock may have a current dividend of $2, a growth rate of 4%, and a required return of 8%. In that case, the expected dividend may be $2.08, and the estimated fair value may be around $52. If the market price is $60, the stock may look overvalued, which means the investor may be paying too much for the income stream. So, the key idea is simple. A dividend fair value calculator helps income investors compare value with price so they can avoid overpaying for dividend stocks. Paying a fair price is important, but avoiding overpaying can be even better for long-term income investing. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.